Pwede man ako magsimula, no? Okay, so good day everyone. Ay, good day lang, no? Okay. Okay, so good day everyone. My name is Jobin, also from Training and Business Development Group. So by the way, thank you, Sir Kurt, for the virtual tour. Now we have idea how Savoy and Belmont in Cebu looks like. Okay, so I'll be presenting a Mega World Hotel concept. Okay, so Condotel is one out of 9 investment options of Mega World that offers hassle-free and worry-free type of investment. So bakit ba natin siya natawag na hassle-free and worry-free? Because of these advantages. First one, we have verse one, ways of earning. So in owning a condotel, we have two ways in earning. For the first one, the condotel owners earns through the rental yield and the capital appreciation. Okay? So second advantage, unit managed by the property management. Okay? So your unit will be operated and managed by Global One Hotel Group Incorporated, a company dedicated to managing Megaworld's hotel and leisure portfolio. Okay? The hotel operator manages the leasing of the hotel rooms, the maintenance, refurbishment, and improvement of the units, the operating expenses, real property tax, common area charges, utilities, insurance, and other related expenses. Okay? So for the third advantage, you will have a free room nights. Okay? This is one of the privilege of being a unit owner of a condotel. They will get a 30 free rooms night every year. So the unit owner may be allowed to avail up to 10 free room nights only per visit. So all bookings shall be subject to room availability. So if ever, for example, we are based in abroad at feeling natin hindi natin makagamit yung 30 nights free natin, don't worry, this is transferable din naman po on your relatives or friends. Okay? Fourth advantage, your unit is covered by an insurance. So insurance is already part of the deductions from the gross revenue. Okay? And lastly, your property is titled. So usually kasi iba, napagkakamalan nilang time sharing yung condotel concept po natin. Nagkakamali po sila. So condotel is like condominium also. This is a titled property with a perpetual ownership. Okay? So what are the comparisons ba in owning a condominium and a condotel? Okay? First one, for condominium, unit owners handle advertising and promotion. So for example, if I'm a unit owner of a condominium at, for example, nakabase ako abroad, gusto ko parentahan yung unit ko, I'll be the one pa to post it on the social medias or other online platforms na nag-offer ng rental service, okay? Or I will get pa may own na property broker para siya yung magpa-rent na unit po for me. While in a condotel, the advertising and promotions are handled by the hotel management. So if you own a condotel and you live in abroad, uh, si hotel operator na yung bahala mag-advertise po ng hotel po para sa inyo. So they are the one posting it on social media or online platform like Agoda or Booking.com. Yan. So si hotel operator na po yung in charge po doon. Okay? Second, for condominium, regular maintenance is shouldered by the unit owners themselves. So for example, if I'm a unit owner of the condo, tapos meron akong tenant, it's either short-term or long-term, if they have any issues po with the unit, may nasira sila, for example, nasira yung aircon, usually tayo pa yung tatawagan as a unit owner, tapos tayo yung gagawa ng action, tayo yung magre-request ng work permit sa admin, the same time tayo yung kukuha ng gagawa. Okay? So medyo hassle na yun for unit owners. While in the condotel, maintenance is considered part of the expenses and responsibilities of the hotel management. So meaning, si hotel operator na yung bahala in terms of sa pag-maintain ng room, the same time, pag may mga nasisirang bagay inside the unit. Okay? Lastly, for condominium, source of passive income from the rental of the condominium, meaning no tenant, no income. So in short, for example, we were having hard time uh, getting tenants on our condominium. So wala tayong kita. Okay? So we have to wait pa para magkaroon tayo ng income, para mabayad natin yung sa mga monthly dues natin sa condominium. While in the condotel unit owners earns a revenue depending on the occupancy rate. Okay? So right now, currently, Megaworld Hotel and Resort is regarded as the Philippine largest hotel operator, with no less than 8,500 room keys across the country, including the ones in the pipeline. Okay? So right now, we have ongoing promo for both Savoy Hotel Mactan and Belmont Hotel Mactan. So this promo is valid until March 31 of 2025. For Savoy, as low as the monthly will start as low as 36,000 pesos per month. Okay, and for Belmont Mactan, 48,000 starting at 48,200 pesos per month. So right now, this is now the perfect time to invest on our condos in Mactan. Okay. To check the availability of both hotels, you can visit our MWI TBD Cloud and go to the Agents Hub section to download the availability for the both condos. Okay, and also to check out the sample computation for the promo of the hotels. So guys, I'm showing you the sample computation. For example, this is for the Savoy Hotel Mactan. Okay. By the way, this is only valid until March 31 of 2025. Okay. So for the Savoy Hotel Mactan, we have unit here, unit 308. Okay. This is a twin suite with area of 23 square meters. The reservation fee is 25,000 pesos. Okay. So the unit cost is 6,338,750. The fit out cost is 1,811,250 with a total contract price of 8,150,000. So by the way, the fit out cost includes all finishes, appliances, furniture, beddings, and linens. Okay, so all needed to make the room a hotel grade. Okay, so for these promo terms, we have three options. Okay, the first promo term option is 25% in 36 months with a lump sum. So for example, the contract price is 8,150,000 pesos, less the reservation fee of 25,000. The net contract price is 8,125,000 pesos. So we're gonna have monthly amortization. The 25% will be payable in 36 months. Okay. So the first scheduled monthly amortization is due after 30 days from the date of reservation. For example, the reservation date is January 1. The first scheduled monthly amortization will be on January 30. So that's around 56,423 pesos per month. Okay. But for this promo, we have three lump sum schedule. That's on every 8 months. Okay, 8 months. Okay, so that's 3%. For example, the date of reservation is on January 1st. The first lump sum schedule will be on August. Okay, so that's going to be the first lump sum. Okay, so the difference from the first one to the second promo term, for this one, we have low month amortization is just only 45,000 pesos per month. So going to be 20% monthly amortization. But here, medyo lumaki na yung lump sum natin from 3%, 5% na. Okay? So for example, on the 8th month, for 106,000 pesos to 150, succeeding na yun, meron tayong 3-month lump sum schedule in the same time. Okay? So the unit cost balance is 3,469,999. Okay? Addition is the fit out cost. So the total balance, you can settle it through cash or bank financing. Okay? And the last promo term, ito yung pinakamababa natin. So because 15% will be payable in 36 months, so that's around 33,854 pesos per month. Although mas mataas na yung lump sum natin for the third promo term. From 5% sa second one, ito nasa 6.66% na. Okay? And then same with the two, the total balance, the total remaining balance, you can settle it through cash or bank financing at the same time. Okay? So right now, we have two operational condos inside our township, the Savoy Hotel and the Belmont Hotel. Okay? First one, we have here the site development plan for the 30-hectare township development of Mactan New Town. So Mactan New Town is the very first mega rural township outside the Metro Manila. Okay? As you can see here, the red one is the Savoy Hotel. Okay? And then the blue one is the Belmont Hotel. So both condos po is located lang along the New Town Boulevard. Okay? And also, this is only 5 to 10 minutes a walk away from the Mactan New Town Beach and Costa Vida Residential Resort here. Okay? And very important, this is also very near to the walking distance away lang po from the main entrance or main access of our township. Okay? So for the first condo hotel, we have the Savoy Hotel Mactan. So we have here, this is an 18-story condo hotel. Okay, so we have 547 units with 93 parking slots. So Savoy Hotel operates last 2019. Okay. So have me here the floor plan for the third level. So all the amenities of the hotel is located on the third floor. The gym, the swimming pool, okay, the pool bar, and the garden. Okay. So for Savoy Hotel, we have four type of hotel rooms. We have the Queen Suite and the Twin Suite with area of 23 square meter. Okay, the Junior Suite is around 31.8 square meter. And then the biggest one we have for Savoy is an executive suite with 46 square meter. Okay, so all unit for condo hotels is already fully furnished. Okay, so the unit po is dressed up na po like a hotel room. For example, for a queen suite, it already comes with a queen size bed, okay, LED TV with a sofa and mini bar. Yan, tapos may closet na po. Okay, so yun lahat po yung kasama sa fit-out cost. Okay? So for Belmont Hotel, this is a 20-story building with 550 units and 93 parking slots. So Belmont Hotel operates last 2023. Okay? So we have here the third level amenity plan for Belmont. So same lang sila with Savoy. Yung amenities ni Belmont is also on the third level. So all the swimming pool, the fitness center, the garden area is located on the third level of Belmont. Okay? So same with Belmont, same with Savoy, Belmont po meron din siyang four types of hotel rooms. We have the Queen Suite and Twin Suite with area of 23 square meter. Okay? Junior Suite is 36 square meter. And then the biggest po for Belmont is an executive suite with 52.5 square meter. So same deliverables lang din sila with the Savoy. These hotel rooms are already fully furnished. Yung naka-dressed up na po siya like a hotel room. Okay? So for the second part of the Condotel presentation, may I call again once again Sir Gerard. Tingin mo, ganyan? Oo,